So today I'm with both my cousins. I have Tammy on the right, and if you're not following her, she's in the working world on TikTok and on Instagram. And I've got my Gen Z cousin Bree, so it's Pre and Bree. And today we are making something that is going viral, or has gone viral, or currently is going viral on TikTok. But obviously the Gen Z had to educate us millennials on how to make it. So what are we making today, Bree?
We're making Hwachae.
Hwachae. Is that how you say?
Hwachae.
Like watch. Hair.
No, I think it's
Like-
in the throat. Like
yeah, yeah.
Hwachae.
Hwachae.
Yes.
Hwachae.
Hwachae. Okay,
Yeah,
so
got it.
what are we gonna start off with?
So first we're gonna add our fruit to the bowl.
Okay.
So you can add on.
So we are creating our South African version of this. Of course, there's different variations. We watch a ton of different videos, but we got a lot of seasonal fruit from the shops that we shop at in general. So we're adding in some strawberries.
Some blueberries.
You can add in the grapes, and we got some watermelon. So this is supposed to be something that's like super hydrating, right? What is it? So it's, from what we've seen, it's like milkshake with Sprite.
Yes, but it's really good for dehydration.
Yeah.
Okay.
it's
And today
mainly
we're
for
really
that purpose.
dehydrated because we have been doing lots of shopping. And to
Been
help
a
us
busy
with
day.
that, we're gonna
Yeah.
add some ice. Okay. And now we're gonna add in the milkshake. So we just got a strawberry milkshake from Woolworths. Right, it already smells really nice.
Very
You can get
fruity.
very
Yeah.
fruity. And then the Sprite. It's like really foamy. I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna
There's
give
never
it a
been a
try.
bad review.
So that's the thing. We wanted to try this out, and all the reviews seem to be pretty good. So we're gonna give it a try. We've got some glasses and some spoons. It smells so like fruity.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but like smoky at the same time.
Yeah.
It's not something I would usually.
Yeah, Tammy is very reserved when it comes to trying out new things. I'm all for trying out new things. But what about you?
You can dish it
It
out.
depends on what it is, but
If it's trending, so let's
yeah.
So, such a Gen Z. So we'll add some fruits. Okay, there you go, Bree.
And then we'll
Let's get
get
in
some
some grapes.
liquid.
Okay.
It tastes like yogurt.
It really does have a nice fizz. I feel like if it was a little bit sweeter,
Condensed milk.
we should have went with the condensed milk. We did see a video,
Yeah.
but it tastes nice.
Do you think if we add it in now, it would be too late?
Mm.
Just add in some condensed milk.
I think so. South African twist.
First, so I had some condensed milk in the fridge from all the baking.
That's my favorite ingredient of all time.
So I'm just gonna drizzle. Like, don't ask me for quantities. This is like have fun kind of a dessert.
It's a whole.
Okay. you can add some to yours in the meantime, and then that should be nice. Tammy's got a heavy hand when it comes to condensed.
Always.
Add some for me. Just beat this close as well.
Oh, I got a grape. I should try it.
The grape probably goes really nice. Okay. Just leave it in the
Okay. Ready to try this round two.
Okay, so now we're doing round two.
Yeah.
With a teaspoon of condensed milk, and we've mixed the big batch. I really like the fizz. though.
I think
Yeah.
a bit more Sprite though.
You think so?
Okay, let's try this.
But it's really good.
Oh, this is better.
This is really nice though.
Definitely.
Okay. Bree, we tried Hwachae.
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 Wow.
Hwachae for the very first time. And I rated a 8 out of 10.
I'd give it a 7.
A 7.
But I also think that if we use Strawberry Stumpie or Super M it would have had a different taste.
I
Yeah,
agree.
totally.
What would you rate it?
Thanks for asking. And I would rate it an 8, but just because it's trending a 9.
Yeah. Totally fine with Gen Z. But anyways, that was our Hwachae experience. I hope you guys give it a try.
Cheers!
Cheers!